bulk WhatsApp messages without risking your number getting blocked? Then you are on the right video. Hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and just give me 3 minutes and I'll show you how you can do this. So to do this, you just have to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. We are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow right now, so you can click on the sign up for free button and get the free trial. Then you just have to log in inside Pabbly Chatflow and open your dashboard and add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to learn how to add this WhatsApp number, then the video tutorial is given in the description box below. You can check it out. Now after you add your WhatsApp number, from the left hand of the side, come on this broadcast section of Pabbly Chatflow and click on this add broadcast button. Now you just have to choose the broadcast type as broadcast campaign, and now for the broadcast name, just enter the name of your broadcast. Now just choose the audience to whom you want to send this WhatsApp message. So you can simply upload a CSV file right over here, or you can choose an existing contact list. For that, you first have to create a contact list, and to do this you have to go in the contact section from the left hand of the side, and from here you can create your contact list. Now further, you have to exclude some lists, so you can select the list you do not want to send these WhatsApp messages to. Apart from that, if you want to exclude some specific contacts, you can select that too right over here. And now we have this toggle button which says exclude contacts in an active 24-hour conversation. So when you switch on this button, the contacts who messaged you within the last 24 hours will be skipped so that they don't receive a redundant broadcast on the top of an active conversation. Now over here you have two message types, a pre-approved template message or a regular message. So if you go for a pre-approved template message, from the left hand of the side, you first have to go in this template section, and from here you have to create a template and then wait till Meta approves your template. Then only you can select that template right over here. But I'm just going to choose regular message right over here, so I just have to choose my message type and enter the message. So I'm just going to simply copy the message directly right from here and enter it. Now in this message, I want to bold some text. So in order to bold the text, I'm just going to simply add stars in the starting and in the end of the text which I want to bold. Apart from that, it is asking me for the contact name and the mobile number. Why? Because over here, before sending this message to multiple leads and customers at once, you can verify it by sending it towards your own WhatsApp number. So I'm just going to enter my own WhatsApp number and name and click on the send test message. It is saying test broadcast sent, so let me just open my WhatsApp, and I've received a new message and it looks perfectly fine. I can send it to everyone. So for that, I have two options. I can schedule it for later or send instantly. So if I wish to send it instantly, I can go on this no send instantly and then add button, and this message will be sent instantly. But if I want to schedule this for later, I'm just going to go on this yes schedule for later, and then from here I'm just going to choose the date and time at which I want to send this WhatsApp message. Then it is saying automatically retry for failed contacts. So if you switch on this toggle button, what is going to happen is, let's say you have a contact list of 100 customers, and to 90 the message was sent, but to 10 the message was not sent. So you do not have to create a new broadcast. For that, you can just simply switch on this button, select the number of retries, the wait between the retries, and click on this add button to schedule this broadcast. Once this broadcast is scheduled, you're good to go. Once this broadcast is sent, you can check the stats for the same. How many were sent, delivered, read, pending, ignored, and failed. And like I told you in the starting of this video, that the chances of your number getting blocked are very less if you use Pabbly Chatflow, because Pabbly Chatflow is powered by official WhatsApp Business Cloud API and your official Meta tech provider. So if you try Pabbly Chatflow and if you like it, you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan using my amazing discount coupon code, which is RITYT. So go try this. You have learned how to send bulk WhatsApp messages without risking your number getting blocked. See you in the next video with many more automation tips. Till then, if you have any doubts, just drop them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but you can use Pabbly Chatflow to create multiple more WhatsApp automations. And now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you try WhatsApp automation today for your business, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.